Good evening, everyone. Next Generation Weather Forecaster Joe Shock here, looking at a pattern outlook over the next couple of weeks. See where we are going into the month of October across much of the northeast and eastern part of the United States. I like to do these every once in a while to do a longer term outlook, but not a seasonal outlook. So what we're looking at here is the MJO forecast, the Madden-Julian oscillation, and this is very helpful in predicting what the pattern and temperatures are going to be like. So what we're looking at here is we are currently in Phase 1, and we are going to be remaining in Phase 1 for the longer duration. This is through October 7th, and it looks like from the weeklies through at least mid-October. So Phase 1 of the MJO favors tropical development in the Atlantic Basin, but also favors very, very warm temperatures in the eastern part of the United States during the months of September and into the month of October. I'm going to zoom in here a little bit better here. I wish these were a little bit bigger. Here, but anyway, here's Phase 1 right in through here, that square where I have my cursor over. You can see those bright yellows in there, so temperatures well above average. And this Phase 1 cannot correlate any better than what we're seeing with in the modeling. So you have a very warm east and a cool western United States, and you'll see that as we go through some of the model guidance. So there's what Phase 1 of the MJO looks like at this time of the year. Now looking at the pattern, the upper level pattern, this is from the European Ensemble. You can see that big trough in the west with the cool and snow. The big heat ridge over the eastern part of the United States. This is days 6 to 11, so this weekend through early next week. 850 temperatures look like this. Again, I'm calling this now Torchtober to open up the month of October here in the eastern part of the United States. So you can see 850 temperature anomalies look like that. Again, here's the cool in the west. The surface temperature anomalies, same kind of thing. Very cold out west, very, very warm in the east. And then a ensemble meteogram. You can see here for southern, I got a point here at southern New England at Lawrence. You can see we were 90 today, so this worked out quite nicely. Again, every one of these days through October 3rd is above average. We average in the upper 60s to lower 70s, and every one of these afternoon highs is above average, and every one of these overnight lows is above average through October 3rd and October 4th. Very, very impressive. So that is a solid 10-day period there of above normal degrees. And I should have brought the anomalies on, but again, the average high is 70, average low 50, so you can see 5 to 15, 25 degrees above normal, depending on what day you're particularly looking at. Now, if we take a look at the individual ensembles, again, there's 51 members here in the ensemble suite. You can see here with my cursors, this is Thursday, this is Saturday over here. This appears to be next Tuesday and Wednesday over and through here. So you can see many members now and well into the upper 80s to lower 90s. And I'm going through the climate records to see how many records could be possibly broken at various locations across southern New England next week. And I'm sure there'll be plenty of tweets about this on Twitter of all the record heat that's coming early next week. But again, I'm calling this Torchtober as we begin to open the month of October on a very torchy note. That's it for now, and thank you for watching.